standing here at Palouse Falls, and we just came here today just to kind of get an idea. You know, this is my third time here in like 3 weeks. We kind of think it's like between 160, 180 feet tall, which is a little wild. You know, nobody has you know, even come remotely close to run anything this big. But I don't know, it's kind of crazy thinking about potentially running this thing.
This is a major step up from what anybody has done before, so it's kind of an unknown realm a little bit for kayaking and what the human body can take off of a waterfall. Come on, T-Diggity. Come on, T-Diggity. Where are you, bud? Where are you, buddy? Oh, he's out. He's in his boat. Yeah!
Dude, down by the right wall in the shadow.